missed Gala nodes? Don't miss Myria nodes. Before we start with this video, you will learn how to set up a Myria nodes using VPS. It is important also to take note that node owners secure the network, assist in the governance and decentralization of the Myria ecosystem, and receive token rewards in doing so. Plus, 36% of the total token supply is for node emissions. How to get started as a Myria node operator. Step 1. Visit this webpage, myria.com/nodes. This is the user interface of the nodes. Step 2. Connect MetaMask wallet, sign there. And on settings, you need to connect your email. So I've connected mine. Next is click this buy nodes, and then we need to fund our wallet with the Myria token. Right now, the Myria nodes are up to $4,505 and will be much more expensive in the future. We can check this table here. Now this is the starting price, and on batch 2 this will be price ramp, batch 3 until batch 10, and this will continue until the sale of 40,000 Myria nodes is complete. And the next step is you need to check this one and then get your quantity. It really depends on you, and then hit this place order. And also take note, we can only buy 99 nodes more, like 100 nodes from this wallet. There are two options for you to do the setup of a node, but I suggest that you use the VPS because this will avoid downtime and save your electricity bills from getting insanely big and our computer from being damaged. So trust me on this one. So in here, this is the Myria support page. They provide a tutorial if you use the voucher. If Myria support is writing about a voucher, this is a legit VPS service, so might as well use this one. So the next thing is set up a voucher. I'll be linking the voucher below, and they have a referral program. If you sign up using my link, I'll get a $10 per paid sign up. After signing up, complete your bill information, and then after you complete your bill information, go to product. Make sure that you understand this device specifications of in running a node: 4 GB RAM, CPU core, 60 GB disk space, stable internet connection. Go to products and then cloud compute. This is for shared CPU. You can all read it here, this guide in support.myria.com, which I will be linking down below in this video. In this CPU and storage technology, just leave it here as an AMD. And server location, you need to set up a server location that is near you. So maybe mine, I'll be doing the Singapore for me because I'm in Asia. And then server image, you need to use Ubuntu, and then 20.4 LTS by 64 as it is in here. Ubuntu 20.04 times 64. This one. The next is the server size. So we know that the server size of the Myria node device specifications is 60 GB disk space. So what we need to do is just use a much higher disk space than this. So we've got the 60 GB, but it's much safer to use the 100 GB NVMe. So this one here, this is what we should be buying for. The next is you need to uncheck this enable IPv6. It's here in the notes of the support. We need to enable IPv6, so don't forget to uncheck this one. And the next is you need to server host name and label. You can name it whatever you want. And then after doing so, click deploy now, and you will be directed to the products page with your instances. So this is what the product page will looks like. So I haven't done mine. So this is the instances. So you'll see your nodes here, and this will be your node API address. So the next thing that you'll do is install a SSH connection. Let's download a Putty. for our operating system. So I'm using the Windows, but this can be used for Linux as well. So I'll be linking this one below. So we can use this 64-bit installer, the Windows installer. After we downloaded our SSH connection, the Putty, so we should run it, and then we should enter the IP address that has been provided by the vulture, our host. So it's in here, this one, for example, this one. We need to input this in our Putty, this one here, and then click open. Once we click open, we will see this one, a command Putty, and we need to input our password, which we can see in our vulture. This one, like for example, this one you need to open, and then you'll see here a password, and then you input that password in the Putty. Then after that one, after you input, you will see this one, this root at Myria node. Next thing that you'll do is input this text, which you can also see here in the Myria support interface. This one, you need to copy this one, right click, copy, and then you need to paste it in the Putty command, and you will see that one running. And after that one, paste this Myria node help. Okay, Myria node help, and you will see these options. And the next thing that you do is start running a node and input this one, Myria node start, and enter node API key. You'll see it in your Myria dashboard, your API key, if you have one. And then this API key, you will input it in your Putty command window. Once it's completed, your node is now running. You can check the status of your node by using this Myria node status, by typing this in the command prompt, or visiting your node dashboard in myria.com here. Node dashboard if you have placed an order with the Myria node license. Yep, that's how you set up a VPS running the Myria node. And I believe that running this one will be profitable in the future, as it is one of the Web3 gaming hubs in the industry. You can check my article about running a Myria node in the Medium. I'll be linking everything down below. And also, staking will come in the future. This will give additional yield for the Myria nodes operators. So there's a lot of advantages in owning a Myria node. You have NFT rewards and NFT drops and many more. So don't forget to follow Myria ecosystem and start running a node now.